Today on Butter King Pet, I'm with Layla. We're on our way to trade my truck going to get an SUV, guys. Need 7 seats. Layla want to drive.
Stay in the middle 2 lanes.
I'm gonna be swerving like this.
We got the SUV, 3 seats. Layla don't like it. She said to get a pink Panther car. Y'all like it? No check engine light. Navigation that I don't know how to do. They say hide it. Why we wanna hide it?
You know,
I don't know.
hold on, guys.
Nah, let's turn this straight.
There we go.
Just let it slide down for a second.
Yeah, I like my eyes. Anytime you want.
Y'all like my gun? Turn you on. We'll be back whenever we stop.
You like my wig? It turn you off? Just wait until I take it out.
This is the truck that Layla wanted me to get.
Water?
Can y'all see it?
The wood is not even on the way. You know that person can probably find your video.
It don't matter. It got 2 different kind of rims on.
Yeah.
Come on, truckhead. You can't get that bitch slow.
You know your thing is clear.
Turn right onto Alma Avenue.
One ain't catch
Then the
up with
destination
one
is
light
right.
on. Yeah. Run now. New, you know, the rain go. Got that 3rd row. Got that 3rd row. 30 times. Got a little bubble back there for y'all. Hattie up and bite. Might keep the little Durango though. It's cute. Ride with the kids. Bad butt.